Okay guys, so here I want to test the Molicel battery 21700 is fully charged, but let me check is fully charged. So this is a power bank and I'm going to put here and I want to check is fully charged or not. So here you can see it's going to on and it's say full. So this is, you can check the review for Xtar VC2S, plus there's another tester, 5 volt and milliamp tester, and this is the battery test also. So we have actually 3 tests in the same time. Battery, charger, and the tester here for 5 volt. So let's start. So if you see it's fully charged, let me zoom. I'm going to plug phone here. Okay, yeah, I hope so everything will be clear, but let's see. 1 2 3. So this is my old charger. Here you can see start charging already, and you can see how many milliamp going from here. I will restart here. Come 0 0 0. Here you can see 0 0 0. Oh, you cannot see. Don't have any much mode, so you can see 1300 milliamp going out. Okay, I hope so you can see the both now meter. So the phone on charging 1569.70 or almost 1300 milliamp going to the phone, and here 14 milliamp already transferred. So it shows P42 mean 4200 milliamp battery. I already charged and discharged 3 times this battery. I bought the new one and this is my 3rd test. So actually battery should be more, and now it's charging. Let's see. And here you can see the amp 1.38, 1.34 and 1.36. The difference is here it's stuck in one place, but it shows more accurate, but it's almost the same. 1.38, 1.32 is fluctuating the milliamp going out, but here is just like fixed. So this is the one difference you can know from this USB meter is only $2 to $3. So I think it's more better if you really want to test properly your device. So here you can mostly, if I buy mobile also, I test the mobile battery, how many real milliamp I can test from this tester only, because this one you cannot test mobile battery, right? So this is USB, you can connect with your USB and it will be tell you. So now you can see 4.8 volt. Here it shows 4.99. Actually it should be 4.99. For me is like 5 volt actually. So but here it shows very exact accurate, and it's only $3 to $4 and it's $25 charger. But actually because it's specially designed for 18650 to 1700 to 0700, all kind of batteries. And here you can see this is smaller, slimmer, 18650 standard, the most used in power bank. Okay, so yeah, here is everything is kind of fixed, and the battery volt is 3.8, but they not show the battery resistance. Yeah, if I will bring out charger, I just put the battery and with the charger, then it shows the battery resistance also, but later I will see. But so far here you can see the progress, how many milliamp going out from battery to mobile. Only this shows. Here just shows milliamp charging but now I'm not charging, I am using it as a power bank. Power going out, not in. So when it's going in, I want to completely discharge this cell for test, and then I will do it again test. So you can know from many side, discharger, and the battery test. So there's 3 tests running in the same time. Okay, I'm going to close the video and I will back when it's almost 100%. So I'm going to stop video here. So now I'm going to test here. Here you can see it's go down a little bit, and here 827 milliamp already going, and now you can see the milliamp almost same, but the voltage I think this a bit dropped. Before 5 volt it was charging 4.8. yeah, it's same 4.99. So yeah, before I start charge on 50% and now 66%. Technically, this battery is 4200 milliamp. Should be at least 4000 milliamp. If the best battery accuracy is 4100 milliamp, should be. Because 100 amp or 150 amp up and down we can consider. But last time when I tested this batteries, discharge 2500 milliamp, charge 3500 milliamp. So it's never go to 4000 milliamp, but it's a top battery in 2021, I think 2022, because it's originally from Taiwan company and very good old reliable batteries company. So I mean, this is nice for vape people they are using, because in the vape suddenly you need a high power. When we start vaping and the coil burn, suddenly need many amp. So this battery works until the last. So when I research currently, like 5-6 years before, 18650 battery, like this battery, we don't know how to test and don't have many charger even in the market, and many people they don't know how to test it properly. But now because of vaping, people are using, even normal people, they don't have IT experience and they don't know anything about electronics, they also using these batteries. So because of that, now people looking for many of these batteries, and even they want to, some researcher kind of people, they like to know about what they are using exactly, they're paying money for what. So that is the future battery. Maybe next few years you will be in, because of any reason, in this battery. So it's good to know about these things. So now 885 milliamp already going inside, but what I'm feeling is it will be maybe 2000 milliamp. Let's see how. But so far it's fully charged battery, and now almost 900 milliamp going to the mobile already. Okay, so now I'm going to change the mobile here, because this is my personal mobile, and this mobile have only 23% battery, so better I charge this mobile compared to my 66% already charged. So doesn't matter. But okay, start charging. Yeah, so I put this mobile here, small also, and I can use my mobile because so many messages here. But the data is still same, almost one. Okay, now it's charging a little bit low amp, like 1 amp. It comes to 1 amp. Here also is 1 amp. Maybe it go up, let's see. But yeah, many years I use this charger. Actually I got it free for review for my channel. That time I'm not interested, and I just say like, okay, I get free, so I just use it. I really impressed, because this charger I bought with my money, because I use it, I impressed from it. But this one is just the basic percentage. Your battery charge 5, 10, 20, 100%. Okay, done. How many time it takes, that's all. Not much detail display. But this charger is more display, more detail, so more things have battery, IR, internal resistance, and milliamp shows, volt shows, and yeah. So anyway, it's charging on 1 amp now, 1.1. It's show 1.1 here, but actually 1.03 only. So let's leave it. I hope it's charging in 1 amp. It's much better it's charged in 1 amp rather than charge 1.5 amp because it's one battery only. So the less milliamp going, a little bit slow charging, the more better battery will be drained out. So okay, let's see. Okay, now you can see here 1700 milliamp already goes, and the battery voltage is 3.5. It shows here slightly hot, not much. 1 amp charging current going to the mobile. So yeah, let's see. It's charging on 1 amp, 4.8 here. Yeah, because it's converting from battery 3.5 to 5 volt. So that's why it shows volt different here. So 1500 milliamp already done. Okay, now almost 2 hours already, and it's just 2127, but you can see now the amp is dropped already. Battery goes to 3 volt, almost 3 volt, and here you can see 2100 milliamp already, and it's charging on 800, almost 880 milliamp, but actually it's 800 milliamp. So slightly different, but the voltage is almost 3 volt of the battery. Battery is slightly hot, and it's this time my room temperature almost 30 centigrade. It's little hot actually, but the charger is slightly hot, yeah, because actually the room temperature is 30 to 31, so it's already slightly hot in the room, so it's normal. So I'm waiting. Actually my food is ready here, and I'm using this table, but here is my McDonald's meal, but I'm waiting to finish this battery. Even I don't want to change the direction. I'm waiting using this table here, so I want to finish this test, and after I'm going to start it. But I think maybe 20 minutes more it gonna done. So now here you can see it's 2429, and amp on 500 milliamp going from 1 amp to 500 amp already, because the battery is very low, and yeah, 500 milliamp going inside. And one thing, my mobile is fully charged actually, 91% now, so it's not taking much battery. So let me charge this mobile, so might be take quickly more high amp. Okay, it's closed because suddenly yeah, because actually it's almost going to done. Battery totally finished. Yeah, now a little bit voltage come up, but actually it's 4500 milliamp, you can see here. But when I giving this mobile, because this mobile now taking 500 milliamp because 90% already, so that's the reason it can charge. But when I plug this one, it's more than 1 amp, so it cannot give the power, and it's suddenly closed. Yeah, you can see it's closed. So yeah, that is my test here for today. I hope you like it. See you in the next. Take care. Bye bye.